Hey, are you tired of your belly bothering you, spilling over your pants, folding that outfit you love to wear? Do you need a husband, but your belly fat won't let the dress zip up? I understand how that feels. I've been through it and know how much it affects your self-esteem. But tell me, are you doing anything to change this situation? If you want to know how to get rid of your belly for good, stay with me until the end of the video. But first, check if you are already subscribed to the channel. Scroll down to the comments and subscribe if you haven't. Activate the bell so you don't miss any updates and leave your like or dislike if you don't like the video. Now, let's get to the video. If you think you don't need to do anything for your health, I challenge you now. Grab a measuring tape and measure your belly. Stand up, measure 2 centimeters above your hip bone. If the measurement is more than 85 centimeters for women or 90 centimeters for men, you need to be concerned. Abdominal fat is not just an aesthetic issue, it is a health risk. It can cause type 2 diabetes, cancer, dementia, and other serious diseases. Abdominal fat, especially visceral fat, is dangerous. It can be present even in thin people with a round face. Even people who don't seem overweight can have high health risks if they have abdominal fat. Doing sit-ups helps strengthen muscles, but it doesn't eliminate abdominal fat. For that, you need a healthy diet and regular physical exercise. Now, I will share with you 3 foods that should be avoided to reduce abdominal fat. First, high glycemic index carbohydrates such as white bread, cake, cookies, pasta, and lasagna. These foods cause insulin spikes, which increase the risk of diabetes. Second, sugar, which feeds cancer and psychological disorders, besides being stored as fat. But before the third food, if you want to lose 30% more fat and eliminate visceral fat for good, click on the first link in the description and learn about LivePure, a natural product that will help you in your weight loss journey and be your ally in achieving your dream body. So don't waste any more time and accelerate your weight loss now. Third, trans fat, found in processed food, which increase the shelf life of products but are terrible for your health and lead to heart and blood vessel diseases such as heart attacks, strokes, and thrombosis. They also increase the chances of overweight and obesity, as they raise fat levels in the belly area. Eliminating these foods can be challenging, but it's a small effort that is worth it to avoid serious diseases in the future. Take the opportunity to learn about LivePure. The link is in the video description. Share this video with everyone you know, especially those who are struggling to lose belly fat. Leave a comment about which of these 3 foods you find most difficult to cut from your diet. And don't forget, live with health, live with passion, and with God in your heart. Bye, everyone.